Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Oyobi Michael. So in this video, I will be sharing with you guys how to make over $1,000 monthly working as a freelancer. So guys, before we get started, I would like you guys to understand the meaning of freelancer. A freelancer is a self-employed person who offers services, often working on several jobs for multiple clients at one time. Freelancers usually earn money on a per job basis, charging hourly or daily rates per their work. So as a freelancer, you don't need to be employed by any organization before you start working for them. You can be in Nigeria and you'll be working for organizations based in US, Canada, UK, China, and the rest of them. All you need to do is to make sure you are connected online. So guys, in this training, I will be sharing with you various websites which you can register and start making money working as a freelancer. So number one here on my list is Fiverr.com, then number two is Upwork.com, then number three, Freelancer.com. So guys, for the purpose of this training, I will be introducing you guys to Fiverr.com, which is a platform which I have been using for over 3 years now, and I have made a lot of money working as a freelancer on Fiverr.com. So guys, before we get started, let me explain to you what is the meaning of Fiverr. Fiverr works by letting buyers pay in advance for gigs, any type of freelancing services ranging from web design to social media marketing, etc. For example, a $5 gig means the freelancer will receive $4 for a completed project. So guys, what this explanation is trying to say is that Fiverr offer freelancer the opportunity to sell their services on their platform, so thereby charging them 10% of everything you make on the site. So for example, if you are selling your services for $5 and at the end of the day you have a buyer who patronize you after completing the project, Fiverr will remove their $1 from the $5 which you are supposed to be paid, so thereby releasing $4 for you. So guys, that is how Fiverr work. And also there are two types of accounts which you can create in Fiverr.com. We have the buyer account and we have the seller account. The buyer account enables you to buy services from seller. Then for example, if you want to order any services from Fiverr.com, all you need to do is to create a buyer account. While as a seller, if you want to start selling your services on Fiverr, you have to create a seller account. In seller account, you will be able to buy and sell services. So while in buyer accounts, you can only purchase services, you cannot sell services on Fiverr. So guys, we'll move over to the next one here, which is services you can offer as a freelancer. So there are various services which you can offer as a freelancer, but for the purpose of this training, this is the one which I'll be listing for you. The number one here on my list is web design, digital marketing, search engine optimization, social media marketing, graphics design, video editing, content creation, writing and translation. So guys, there are various services which you can offer, but these are just few of them which are listed here. So for example, what is web design? Web design is all about designing of websites. As you know, there are various organizations out there who don't have website and are searching for website designer or website developer who can create website for them so that they can start showcasing their business online. So guys, that's what website design is all about. And also here we have digital marketing. There are various brands out there who want to create awareness about their products, about their services, but they don't have that digital skills which are required. So people come to Fiverr searching for digital marketers who can be helping them to market their products online, such as running ads for them on Facebook, running ads for them on Google, and so on and so forth. Also here on my list we have search engine optimization, which is all about making sure that people businesses appears on search results such as google.com or ping.com and the rest of them. So all you need to do is to optimize their website, optimize their page to make sure that their website is being ranked on Google. So that's all what search engine optimization is all about. Social media marketing is all about marketing people products on social media such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and the rest of them. So for example, a social media marketer be in charge of running their ads on social media such as Facebook. So that's your job. Your job there is that their presence is made known presence of the company is made known online. So we have here graphics design. You can be working as a graphic designer on Fiverr, such as you can be creating logos, you can be creative flyers, any graphics work at all that you can think of. You can be offering such services on Fiverr. We have video editing, we have content writing, we have writing and translation, and the rest of them. So guys, those are the services, those are a few of the services which you can offer on Fiverr. There are lots of them. You can offer various services. So we'll go right into my system and we'll get started with Fiverr, and I'll be showing you guys how to register Fiverr, how to register as a buyer account, how to register as seller account, and also how to set up your gig on Fiverr so that you can start making money. Okay guys, we'll move right into my system and I will be showing you everything step by step. Thank you very much. God bless you.